Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel, Cook and Barbecue 24/7. Today's video is just going to be a quick recap of my old wood rack I've had about 3 to 4 years. It was suiting me fine, but the top was getting old, the top wouldn't stay on. The top had holes in it from me stapling and using tacks to hold it on. Some of my wood was getting rotten, I had some bugs. I wasn't able to tell what wood was what, then I was starting to cook and then some of my wood be wet. So I said, hey, let me go ahead and invest in a good solid wood rack, something that's going to last forever and something that's going to protect my wood. Because everybody know when you're cooking with offset, you got to have dry wood. So what I normally do now is I have a good stack that's inside my white barn. And then what I normally do, these racks here, I normally just keep overflow or wood that's still continue to dry or wood that I'm going to use for my fire pit. So as you can see, I want to do a tall rack that's leaning against the white barn. Then I'm also want to do a short little rack that stays below the fence on the right side of it. And I have the orange marking on the grass that you can see where I want to do. So I'm just getting a mindset, getting a game plan and doing a little bit of sketching in my head and coming up with a good rack that's going to last solid. And my motto is going pressure treated. I'm going to use concrete, something that's going to last. I'm going to put a roof that's sloped and use shingle. I'm going to invest in it, build it the right way once, and never have to look back at it. I created a simple plan. Then I went to the hardware store, bought all my material, came back home and started setting my post in the ground with quick drying concrete. And here's the outcome. I'm almost there, but I have my base set up, my sides, but I have not finished the roof and put it on the sidings to protect it from the rain. Here's the video of the small rack against the wall. And I wanted to have different departments, and that way I can separate fire pit wood or some different variety of wood, and I think it turned out good. One day I was riding around and I came across a tree company in a small town right not too far where I live, and he was selling split wood. This is a mix of oak, mostly white oak with a little bit of red oak and a little bit of hickory. And I also was able to find a little bit of pecan mixed in one of my loads. But solid wood is pretty fresh, so it will need to dry. And here's the finished product. I was able to put the roof on, the siding, and I think it turned out good. I have no complaints, and everything worked out good. It looks real good. It's strong. I think it would last forever. Like I said, I used pressure treated lumber. I put shingles on the roof, and it turned out very well. I was cooking on the offset, and I said, hey, let me make a quick video. Just going to walk around, show you guys some of the details, some of the roofing of everything, the finished product. Thank you guys for watching this video. I appreciate all your support, the likes, the comments, and subscribing. Thank you. Until next week, cook and barbecue 24/7.